going to make an object. It's going to be a really simple object with a bunch of random properties. Let's say my name, Jacob, very average coder, Nathan, very good coder. I don't know a Nathan. Joey, supremely fantastic coder. Samantha, great coder. Okay, so that's that. So let's make this an array. So we can use, filter and map and all those things, all those methods on it. So what we're going to do is, just for example, make an array variable. And so you're going to use this object class, and there's a keys function on this, and you pass in your object to this, and this spits out an array of the keys. So in this case, it'll be an array of strings called Jacob, Nathan, Joey, Samantha, and I'll show you what that looks like now over here. So it's an array: Jacob, Nathan, Joey, Samantha, and so to convert this into an array, what you're going to do is, well, really what we're doing here is getting an array of the values, not your keys will pretty much not be there in the result of this array, but you can still use them in a different variable. But anyways, so what we're going to do is we're going to map through, and you can use any loop, but in this case, short way that I've found is the map function, and this takes a callback. So in each iteration of the map loop is going to give you a key. This key is going to be, in the first iteration is going to be Jacob, the second iteration is going to be Nathan, and the third iteration is Joey, etc. So, and just FYI, this map gives you two arguments. One is the key, or the item that the item of that iteration. Second is the index. We won't use the index, but it's good to know that it's there. So we're going to do, actually for simplicity's sake, we're going to do, or for clarity's sake, we're going to do a regular function like that, and pass in the key, and what we're going to do is return the object at this property, and so we're returning the value of the object at property of whatever the key is of whatever iteration we are in the result of this object.keys. So instead of me talking, let me just show you what this gives us. So here we've got an array of the strings that are the values of each property here. So this can be really, really handy in many scenarios. This is a very simple example, but like I said, I use it a lot. It's good to know. And let me just simplify this. Array 2. It's going to be the same thing, just instead of an anonymous, whatever these are called, these functions here, not good with terminology, just do an error function, just so you can see a little kind of a easy one-liner. Object.key or object key. And just so you know, this bracket notation here it's also very handy to know. I don't believe you could do this otherwise like this, but yeah, so this is essentially the same as like this object at bracket or at property key. This is essentially the same as me putting Jacob, which is an awesome name if I have to say myself, but or Samantha. But instead, obviously, we're in a loop, so and we have access to the key right here. So we're just going to pass in that key, which is a string. And yeah, so this should give us the exact same thing right here. So yeah, hopefully this was useful for someone. Um, I'm going to try to make more of these videos. I realized that I realized that there was actually a good amount of engagement and views on the last HTML video I did. So if you watch this and there's anything you're wondering about, please comment below. Uh, Let me know because I really like I teach I help my coworkers out with React stuff. Feel pretty comfortable with JavaScript and etc. So yeah. So if you got any questions, let me know. Let me know what you think. Peace.